Sometimes there's good. Sometimes there's bad. Let me show you the bad. Bad. Oh. So here is one of the lobes. And here's another lobes. It decided not to participate with the rest of the lobes. They felt like they didn't want to be a part of my engine, so that's what they did. Now, that was last week. Now there's this week, and we're going for round 2. I went through all the, you're supposed to do it. Where's my hand at? Okay. So all the preparation for camera braking was done on that one. Was also done on this one, with the exception of started up for a few minutes, shut it down, pulled the valve covers, bumped the engine over, made sure all the valves were, all the lifters were rotating, buttoned it back up, getting ready to fire it up, and the battery did. So I'm charging the battery, but we're soon to find out how successful this attempt is going to be. That's what's going on. Yes, I'm not afraid to admit of failures, because that's that fucking failure right over there. Right there. So we'll see.